Hello. I'm going to talk about mammals that have a connection even though we don't know why they are connected. Hippos, camels, whales are all connected by one molecule, fructose. Now, you may have heard fructose is bad for you, too much sugar, too much high fructose corn syrup, etc., etc. But fructose is just a molecule, and this molecule is very important in the development of cells. Brain cells use fructose, sperm cells use fructose, and would you know it? The growing fetus of many mammals need fructose. And this is how I come to the story of how hippos, whales, and camels are connected. The placenta of large mammals is diffuse all inside the uterus of that mammal. And that helps the mammal have a longer gestation so that the baby, when it's born, is fully formed and can start walking and eating right off the bat. That makes it have an advantage to survival. So it can join the herd and run. Hippos, deer, goats, and so on all have this kind of placenta. The other thing that connects those animals is that this placenta transforms glucose into fructose. It's amazing, but only the placenta of those mammals that have even-toed hoofs transform glucose into fructose. What does this mean for the fetus? It means that the fluid that surrounds the fetus in the amniotic sac is chock full of fructose. They can have a sweet drink anytime they want. Which mammals am I talking about? These are all the two-toed, even-toed ungulates, like deer, goats, sheep, horses, whales, hippos, and camels. What connects those three large mammals, whales, hippos, and camels, are their placenta is very similar, and that placenta changes glucose into fructose throughout the pregnancy. Now, as primates, as humans, we do use fructose during the pregnancy, but only in the first trimester. You can start to see how large mammals like hippos, whales, and camels are connected. They have the same biochemical background, even though they look and act very differently. Whales live in the ocean, camels live in the desert, and hippos need fresh water and marshes to move around in. One of you may say, or many of you may say, that what's the scoop with the whales? How are whales and hippos and rhinos and deer and goats connected? Whales don't have any feet. Well, whales belong to that same clade that even-toed ungulates belong to. And fascinatingly, in 2011, in Peru, a large fossil was found. This was a whale fossil that was about 41 meters long. That's the length of 3 school buses end to end. And this whale had the bones of 4 feet, and at the end of each foot were tiny hooves. Yes, whales biochemically and evolutionarily belong to even-toed ungulates. Where do we fit as primates in this development? 50 million years ago, humans and primates decided to diverge from the ungulate clade and chose rats, rabbits, and mice as their cousins. I think we missed out. No longer can we have a sweet drink whenever we want to, when we are inside our mother's womb